I was diagnosed with chronic fatigue syndrome. I was put on a course of natural products, including vitamin C and different amino acids, some of which helped. I was also put on prescription medication, all of which came together to help with slight increments of improvement. It never completely eradicated the symptoms, and those symptoms include extreme muscle weakness, a lot of flu-like symptoms, fevers, sweats, overall muscle weakness, nausea, but particularly debilitating for me was headaches. Migraine level headaches, but not technically migraine headaches, and those headaches have continued to the present. It's been many years and I have improved slightly. The other thing is, symptom-wise, is cognitive things, short-term memory, ability to concentrate. I would forget where my car was parked. I met a nurse practitioner who had symptoms of fibromyalgia. Fibromyalgia also often is a symptom along with chronic fatigue. Not one that I had, but she asked me about it because she knew I had chronic fatigue. She was very, very ill and was about to have to quit work because of her symptoms. I encountered her a few months later, at which point she seemed very healthy and active, and she told me that she had implemented the Beck Protocol and that she was completely off medication and back to work and much improved. I purchased the equipment, the Beck machine to use on my wrist, as well as the magnetic pulsar, the cloves, the wormwood herbs, and used the Beck machine also to make my own colloidal silver water. And I use that every day. And initially for the first 8 weeks, I used the Beck machine. Then I began to experience the headache again. One day, the weakness in my legs and arms, a little bit of nausea, not exaggerated, but I had been feeling very, very healthy and active, and a lot of my concentration, my cognitive things were better as a result of the program. And so I decided that it occurred to me I hadn't worn the Beck machine on my wrist for probably 3 or 4 weeks, 3 weeks probably. So I put it on. And within 30 minutes, it was so dramatic. My headache was gone. It wasn't just subsiding, it was gone. And my energy level was back to normal. The weakness in my arms and legs was gone. And that was just after 30 minutes. I did wear it the rest of the day, that day, because clearly the virus was acting up for me to have those symptoms again. Now I use the machine on my wrist more often, at least once a week, for several hours, or a period of several days in a row of just 2 hours a day, depending on what my schedule is. But I keep the headache and the other symptoms away using that, and that is very exciting to me. The magnetic pulsar also helps a great deal with the pain. I use it right on across my forehead and temples where the pain is most severe. It's been well worth the purchase, and it's something I intend to use forever.